How to add a photo or a video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a video or a photo on your CapCut. So let us get started. First of all, you need to open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, tap on New Project to start a project. After you tap on New Project, you will need to import photos or videos. So first, import a video. Now after tapping on add, as you can see, a video has been added. And after adding a video, now what you need to do is search for overlay option. Tap on overlay and tap on add overlay. After you tap on add overlay, you can now import a photo. So simply select a photo and tap on add. Now as you can see, the photo has been added. Now what you can do here is you can add an animation. Now you can do whatever you'd like with this, but I'll just add a simple animation. And after you add animation, you're basically good to go. That is how you do stuff here. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you add a photo or video in CapCut. Now you can simply import this, and yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.